In this video, we're going to be going over how to integrate Deadline Funnel with ActiveCampaign. First, inside Deadline Funnel, you want to go up top and click the Integrations link. Choose what campaign you want to work with and click New Integration. Leave Create Deadline Funnel Tracking selected and click Next. Select ActiveCampaign and click Next. Once you're on this screen, you need to go over to ActiveCampaign and get your API details. So in ActiveCampaign, you click on Settings. Then we click on Developer, and here it gives us the URL and the API key. So we copy the URL, paste that into the API URL of Deadline Funnel. Then we go back and grab the key, copy that, and also paste that in the API key text box. And then we click Integrate. Now you need to choose your custom field. This is a custom field just like when you insert a subscriber's name into an email and it auto-populates with the person's name. This will auto-populate with the person's date and time of their deadline. So we want to make sure that this is something we remember, and also it's going to be specific to this campaign. In this case, I'm just going to choose deadline text from the drop-down menu. Then you want to click the webhook URL to copy it. Now back over in ActiveCampaign, we click on Automations, create an automation. Let's go ahead and start from scratch. Then we need to select a trigger. Now, depending on your situation, your trigger may be different, but a very common trigger to use is to start the automation when a tag is added to a contact. So that's what I'm going to use for this example. So I'm going to click Tag is added. For the tag, I'm just going to use DF and then Add Start. Now it's going to ask for what action that you want to take. So the first thing we want to do before we send any emails or anything else in this automation is we want to activate the Deadline Funnel campaign to start the countdown. And to do that, we use the webhook we just copied from Deadline Funnel. And you can find that under Condition and Workflow, select webhook, and then paste that URL you just got from Deadline Funnel into that text box and click Save. Now, whenever anyone is added to this tag, ActiveCampaign will automatically notify Deadline Funnel to start that subscriber's countdown. Now, once you get this built, you're going to want to test it by manually adding that tag to a subscriber, allowing this automation some time to run, and then going back over to Deadline Funnel, clicking on Analytics at the top, select the right campaign from this drop-down, and then ensuring that that subscriber appears in this People Tracked section below the graph. If you have any problems with this integration or have any questions at all, don't hesitate to contact us at help@deadlinefunnel.com.